Hi, this is Lee Thurburn again, and in this video we're going to demonstrate how to create custom newsletter templates and use them with the system. So after you log into your account, click on CRM Dashboard or CRM Database, and then click on Edit or Add Email Templates. Now, the first time that you do this, you will not have any custom templates. So if I click on this accordion section, nothing happens because there are no custom templates. So if you click on the default templates section, you'll see that there are a series of default templates that you can select to use. The first one, template A, has a header, one row with an image on the left, and then the next one a header with two rows with images on the left, and so on. So this is the most common template format. So I'm going to click here to edit this template. And what happens next is it loads the template into the editors section. Now, the first thing that you should do is you should go ahead and give the template a new title. So I'm going to call this video tutorial demo for newsletter editing. All right, and then I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to go ahead and save it. So now I've renamed the template to be that. So if I click here at the top, go back to the list of templates. Now I can click on Custom Templates, and you'll see Video Tutorial Demo for Newsletter Editing. Now I can click to edit that template, and here it is. It's the same one as the raw template that was the default template. So the first thing I want to do is show you how to change images. So there's an image here at the top and an image on the left. If you want to change, which of course you will, the banner, newsletter banner, click on the banner and then click on Insert Edit Image, and you'll see that you can put the source of an image in this space. Well, we have to have the image. So one of the things you'll want to do is create a banner image and go find it. And you will have saved it either on the website. Say if you have WordPress, you'll have a WordPress media library, and here is the banner image that I have saved. So if I click here, here's my URL. And if I just go ahead and highlight the entire URL, right click, copy. Now I come back over to the tab where I have, and this is the source, this is the URL. So I just go ahead and delete the existing one, insert that. Now I can give the image a description, and this is good for your, for your own information, as well as, for people that don't receive images, they can see a description, and this just would be header image maybe. And the dimensions we recommend are 640 by 120 pixels. So I've created this image in that size. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and you're going to see that the banner image changes. Now I'm going to click here on this insert your picture, image, or graphic here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Insert Image Edit. Now, one of the places that you can find images, of course, would be on if you use WordPress or some other media library. Go to the media library there. But the Apricot Rocket system also gives you the ability off of your home page. Here's your home page. Go to File Storage, and you can upload an image. So I'm going to click here on Browse. I'm going to go find an image. Here's a sample photo, 200 pixels wide. I'm going to open that, and I'm going to call this sample photo 200 by 200. I'm going to upload the file, and now here's the file. It's been uploaded. I'm going to click here to get the URL. Now I can copy this URL, and then I can go back over to the image and I can paste that URL into the address, and you'll see it loads the dimensions 200 by 200. I click OK, and it inserts the photo there. So at this point, I have now added a graphic banner and a photo in the appropriate spots. Now, the default template comes with a little bit of text here that you can edit. So if you click on font family, you can choose the font family that you like. Click on font sizes. You might increase that, say, to a size 12. You'll notice that there's a variable inserted right here for first name. When the system sends an email out to a group of people, the database, the system will actually look for their first name in their customer record and insert it automatically. So of course you can customize this however you want to. Now, if you want to, you can just type your text in here. And of course you can create a newsletter content that way. But if you've already created some newsletter content, maybe you have it in Microsoft Word. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to right click and copy the text. Then I'm going to switch back over to my editor, and now I want to show you if you try to right click and paste, there is not a paste function for editing text, but if you use your keyboard, you can do Control V, and that'll paste the text in right there for you. So if we now have the text, we can highlight it. We can change the font. Okay, there's Arial. We're going to make it 12 pixels large. We're going to take this top line and we're going to highlight it and click B for bold. And then if I want to insert, say, a link, let's say content is king. I want to make that a link to something. I can highlight the text. I click the insert link tool and I type in my link to some destination. I click OK, and now I've put a link in here. Now I can also, I've got a little white space there, so I'm just going to back it up, back it up, back it up, and that makes this a lot cleaner. Now this text down here in this little footer section, if you want to put something there, you can, or you can just remove it. Now if you like, and some people do, to use the Notepad as an editor, Notepad is a great little simple text editor. Again, you copy your text from Notepad and then you insert it using Control V to insert your text. And of course, once you've got your text, you can go ahead and highlight it. And again, you can edit the text using these text editing tools up here. So that's a pretty straightforward way for you to be able to create a simple and attractive newsletter. And now once we've done that, we click Update Template. And so now we've got a template that's pre-configured. So I click Go Back to a List of Templates. And I click on Custom Templates. You'll see our template here. I'll click Edit. And that takes us down. And of course, we now can edit the newsletter yet again. So that's one bit of information that I think you'll need. Now, if you want to copy the newsletter source code, you can click here. And so if you know how to do HTML, this is where you find your source code. If you ever want to create a clone newsletter, use the source code, click in here, click Select All, click Copy, and then just go ahead and say OK. And then if you go back to Home, CRM Dashboard, Edit Newsletters, and now we can create a new one. We'll just call this Video Tutorial Demo B. And now I'm going to click Tools, Source Code. I'm going to go ahead and paste our source code in, say OK. And that way we've done an exact copy clone of the newsletter that we had created. Click Add Template. And now you'll see that you've got two templates, Video Tutorial Demo and Video Tutorial Demo B. Of course, then we can edit either one of those. Or if we want to, we can go back and we can choose a different style of newsletter. Let's say Template C, header with 3 rows, images on the left. So I click here. And now we have row number 1, header, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3. and you see that you've got a template that you can use to create different styles of newsletters. Um, that's it for the how to create an email template video, and look forward to the next video. Thanks.